Welcome back to 747 Fishing. Today, we're proud to introduce a brand new cooperation partner, Entreprelure.com.au. This Australian company produces high-end 3D printed fishing lures, offering a wide variety of innovative designs built for real fishing conditions. In this video, we're out on the water with Yoon, the owner and creator behind Entreprelure, testing his lures where it really matters, on the fish. Let's get into it.
Yeah, welcome back guys, 747 Fishing. Today we are at beautiful Leaders Creek and we are together with Yoon. Yoon has brought us some beautiful lures with. Tell us something about your company and what you're producing.
Yeah, well, thanks for having me, JB. This is very interesting what we brought here. My company, Entreprelure. We've made a set of different lures to actually try out in the NT today. Quite a few different models. We've got some extra large minnow models, some large vibes, medium-sized vibes, and a small vibe, but we've been testing a lot of models, particularly this one in pink, nice hot pink. The main features of this is actually really the ability to stow your hooks all the way. So you can actually take them out when you're actually ready, or plug them back into the lure when you're ready to actually pack it away. Then you can actually have them jumbling together.
And that's pretty cool. I really like this because it stops the tangling up in your fishing tackle box. If you have mostly those lures, there's no more tangling up.
Yeah, which is a nice thing. And it's represented through all our models. We have the other little small 50mm vibes that have them, and then some white poppers. They're actually done pretty well today during the tests.
Yep.
Caught some nice fish today.
Yeah, some nice fish, especially on the popper and on the pink minnow. Very good. It was a very kind of darkish day, watercolor, and it was pretty murky water, so the pink and the white were really working very well today. So if I want to buy a lure like this, how do I get a lure like this?
Yeah, we have an online shop. You can head to entrepreneur.com.au.
I will leave the link in the description below.
And then, yeah, right now we'll have the pink minnow online, for sale online. The rest will come up very shortly.
Yeah. And so they're made in Australia. They're mainly for people in Australia. But yeah, contact Yoon if you're somewhere in the US, in Europe, and you want to give a lure like this a try. We're definitely going to try those lures more and more over the next few weeks and months. And I'm pretty sure they're going to work very well because they work really good today.
Yeah, they do.
No, thanks for coming. We really enjoyed that.
Thank you for having me.
Awesome. Yeah, guys, that's fish species number 3 with our pink Entrepelure. Very nice lure, works really good. So 3 different species. Well, let's see how many we can catch today. Okay. With the Entrepreneur lure, we caught a beautiful looking fish. Gonna try to have a fish ID on that side. But the color, wow. And he's as long as the lure, is possibly even shorter than the lure.